So while pressure washing the boat, my GreenWorks 2700 PSI pressure washer failed. And right there to the right, there's a bolt that let go. I could probably fix it, but I just went out and bought a new GreenWorks 3000 PSI washer. So the old one still works, but I'll probably just give it away to somebody that can fix it. It'll need an hour or so of work, but I'm lazy. I just went out and bought a bigger and better one, so I'm gonna unbox this GreenWorks 3000 PSI. Well, that's it all put together. Simple enough. I'm not going to be using these parts because, I've had a half dozen pressure washers and I just don't need the electrical hose holders and these little knickknacks. Everything just gets kind of flopped up on top. So what I do is plug in the water hose first before I plug in the power. Pull the trigger, let some water get through the system, kind of lubricate things up, and then I'll plug it in and power it on. Alright, I think it's time to plug it in. Alright, well, it's working just fine, folks. Take care.